Philippines!
Oh, meron tayong bunga ngayon. Kukunin natin. Look, ang bunga ng ating ng ating strawberry. Tignan nyo naman yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I-harvest na natin. I-harvest ang ating kaunting strawberry. Kawawa naman itong strawberry ni MaryAnn. Kawawa. Kinain naman yung iba. Sino man kumain ito, be? Kinain na yung isa, oh. Sana kinuha ko na lang ito kahapon. Ito hindi pa kinain. Kunin natin kasi hindi pa kinain. Look. Ay, pag-ibig. Tami. You have a strawberry here. Cute. Nice. Ito na naman tayo sa garden natin. Kinakat ko lang yung mga dahon, guys, kasi ang dami ng kamatis na tabunan. Hindi man lang naarawan itong mga kigwa. So ito, kunin ko din ito. Look, nahulog na doon. Kinuha ko lang yung mga dahon. Look, ang daming bunga. Ang ganda. Look, oh my God, tingnan mo. Ang ganda ng kamatis na ito. Tignan nyo naman yan. Look, o diba? Look. At ito, ititrim ko din ito. Kasi kailangan itrim. Go inside na. Look, ang init. May bunga na din siya. Look, oh. May bunga na din. Ito yung garden natin, guys. Ganito, farmer. Basta dito sa Amerika. Maganda din mag-farm kasi mahal na sa tindahan ngayon. So kailangan na nating bumili o mag-farm para hindi na tayo bili ng bili. Look, kamatis, oh. Yung kamatis na yun, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda ng cucumber ko, guys. Ang daming bulaklak. Tignan nyo naman yan. Ang ganda, yellow pa. O, diba? Ang dami. As in, maganda sa mata. Dito tayo sa raspberry natin, guys. Ang ganda-ganda. Tinapon ko yung iba na nakuha ko. May nakagat na siya. May kumain na. So, kaya yun. At saka, marami siya. So, kukunin ko lang yung okay. At saka pabayaan ko yung iba kasi yung mga ibon gustong-gusto nilang kainin. So yun yung lang, kunin lang natin harvest yung mga okay. Diba ang ganda? Masarap yan, guys. Ang saya-saya, ang saya-saya. Yan, nasira. Ito. Ah, hindi pa, hilaw pa. Ito siya. Sira na yung iba. Okay na yan. Sira yung iba. Tara, ano meron dito?
Wow, got a lot of raspberries.
Masarap ito. Yung parang anuhin lang siya ba guys. Kainin lang siya na. Hindi mo na siya i-mix sa salad. Good morning. So ngayon guys, bumili si Tami ng gamot para sa tainga na naman kasi parang hindi pa rin naging okay. So, yun na, ayaw kasi magpa-doktor. So yun. Okay, what you want me to do?
You just gotta fill the ear up with this and then wait a half hour.
Well, you have to do your half hour, okay? How can I do this? Shake it, right?
You might as well.
How many drops?
I don't know. You just gotta fill the ear canal.
We need to should have towel. Will drip.
Well, I'm supposed to be lying down.
Oh, you have to put your head. I'll do have to sit to fill the.
But inside of the ear canal.
It's not yet. No,
That's
not filled. Huh?
You're not filling the whole ear until it comes to the outside of the ear, obviously.
Okay, that's good. Put it back. You feel it, hon?
I don't feel nothing yet. Just
What time is it now?
I don't know.
Hi guys, so ngayon guys, ito na yung second time na gagawin na naman namin yung spray na-film ko yung isa pero na-delete ko man yun. So ngayon, hindi pa nawala yung sakit. So kailangan yung gagawin ulit. And then meron siyang nilagay ng chemical kanina nga. So ngayon balik spray na naman siya. I thought you did it over here, hon.
I did.
So why you did it direct over
Because I
there?
didn't know how much was going to fit in the bottle, that's why. Now I know the bottle holds got 10 ounces.
Okay. So that's what he's gonna do, and I will spray it. And it's hot water. Be careful. Ito talaga yung asawa ko guys, ayaw talaga pa doktor guys. So ganyan talaga yung desisyon niya kahit saan man sulok tayo ng mundo, kung maano yung paa niya, ayaw pa rin niya magpa-doktor guys. Ganyan yan sa katigasan ng ulo. Pero meron naman siya mga ginagawa, bumibili naman siya, meron naman tayong mabili sa mga tindahan kung anong dapat gawin. So yun yung ginagawa niya ngayon. Let's squirty your earring. And it's really hot, honey. Han?
If it's too hot, I'll tell you stop.
See that?
Okay, that's it. You gotta cool off a little bit.
Yeah, it's hot, right? Okay. So, mainit pa, guys. Right?
I don't know.
Hold on. She wanna throw up, hon. Hold on. She wanna throw up. It's still hot. Seriously? Like,
Okay, let it drain out.
gilid eh.
Okay. How much is left in there?
Still a lot.
Good, maybe we'll use the other.
Dito ako naloka guys, pati yung kabila palagyan. Hala, sige, masakit. Nasaktan tuloy. Kapag matigas ang ulo guys, mahirap kontrahin. Kasi hindi na yan magbabago. Matigas na talaga yan. Alam nyo guys, behind camera guys, pinagalitan ko yan guys. Halos mag-away na kami kasi sinabi ko magpa-doktor pero ayaw pa rin. Wait till
That won't hurt.
Ha?
That won't hurt.
Oh. At nababasa ko yung mga comment ninyo guys, nadalhin siya sa ENT, mga iba't ibang doktor or doktor or ano ba yung doktor na yan, and ayaw talaga niya. So salamat sa mga advices ninyo guys, pero kapag kayo yung nasa lugar ko at saka kilala ninyo si Mister, nasa pamilya nila guys na yan na sobrang katigas ng ulo, hindi makikinig, magpunta lang ng doktor kapag nasobra na talaga yung parang katulad ng ina niya. But anyway, salamat sa inyong lahat guys sa panonood, at pinupush ko pa rin siya hanggang ngayon na magpatingin, pero ayaw pa rin.
This is MaryAnn, and she's cooking the turkey that we got for free without the Thanksgiving. It's been frozen all this time. And it's almost as big as her. Of course I get that look. See the look, guys? That's the look.
There's no cellophane inside.
She's trying to get the parts out from inside of it, but it's kind of tough because it was so frozen. Well, if there's no plastic inside, then just cook it the way it is. It's fine.
Okay. So there's no cellophane,
That's
so
fine.
it's good, right? So there's no like intestine, nothing. So what I'm gonna
It's
do?
in there, but
There's nothing.
maybe it's not in the baggie.
It's just the head. They don't put it in the bag. There's no.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to put this.
If you look at the plastic wrapper, it'll say what
I'm going
happens.
to glaze it later, huh? When
Okay.
it's almost cooked, right? Can I put a little salt inside?
I would put some seasoning on it.
Seasoning
A little
inside?
salt, pepper. Use some of that Montreal chicken on it. That'll be good.
I cannot do it now.
I'll get.
It's for
It is whatever. Give it a little bit of flavor would be nice.
okay. Ay, nako. This is the turkey. This is big, honey. You can put, okay, that's it. That's it, that's it. That's it. Okay. Be careful. I never even touch you like this.
You hear that, guys? Okay. Just so you know.
Okay, that's it, that's it.
You finish all this with your kid.
Ang laking manok. That's really it. Can you pour a salt and then I will rub it? So anyway guys, so we're gonna put this in the oven. How many degree you put in there?
You read that plastic wrapper that came in, it'll tell you.
It's okay. I can do ice to ice cooking with no instruction. Sa freezer kasi ito guys, it took space. It's like a big space na nawala yung sa freezer namin dahil nito. So kaya nagdesisyon si Tami kahapon tanggalin. So kaya ito manok. Hayop talaga mga inayupak. Wow, it's really heavy. Anuhin natin ito. Para mag-equal yung brown niya ba? Anuhin natin siya. Alay, ang init pala. Hinawakan ko, kigwa. But stronger than this. Okay, try.
You gotta lift it up to get over the rack.
Correct.
There you go.
Allah. Oh my God, ang init guys. Grabe. It's really freaking hot. Oh my God. I'll do it myself.
Two pairs.
Go get the 2 pads. I'll do it. You're clumsy.
Are you kidding me? Coming from this, I cut myself and burn myself every chance I get.
Seriously, honey, don't accuse me of something that I didn't do.
That's something you do. You do.